Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix Roblox error code 286. Your device does not have enough memory to run this experience. So first of all you have to just log out of your Roblox account, and then you have to just minimize this application from here, and you have to just open your mobile settings, and you have to just open your apps management and then app settings and search here for your Roblox and just tap on it. After that you have to just click on the storage and the cache option here. Now you have to just click on the clear storage and then press OK. After doing so you have to just minimize it and open your Play Store or App Store in your Android or iPhone and search here for your Roblox and check that if it is updated or not. If not, then you have to just update it, as this error may be because of the old version of the Roblox. So you have to just gain the latest version of Roblox. After doing so you have to just search here for the Turbo VPN. After doing so you have to just click to install this VPN and then tap to open this VPN and connect it to your device. After doing so, my connection is made successfully. So moving on to the next, you have to just minimize this application and try to access your Roblox app again. They ask for the login process, then you have to just put the login details here and then click on the login, and you can see that I have been successfully logged into my account. Then you have to just click on the play button to check that your problem is solved or not, and you can see that my problem has been solved successfully. So that's all for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide.